Today I'm showing how I like to add a pop of color to vellum and coloring and fussy cutting. And this is easy to do. I started off with a background of mimicking alcohol markers and or alcohol ink watercolor, and this is just a pattern paper. I'm going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment and the butterflies, and I stamped it twice on 2 pieces of vellum so that I can get the tulips isolated separately, colored them up on the back side of the vellum, and then I made a piece of white cardstock to match the shape of each of the tulip petals there and the tulip buds. And so those are all going to be separate. I used Heather Hoffman's technique of adding white cardstock behind vellum so that it pops better. And I like to color on the back side of the vellum to have a softer look to the coloring when I like to color on vellum. And so onto that first set of tulips for the vellum, I added the colored vellums, and you can see they pop much better when you add white behind vellum, either with coloring or without it. I really like to color them. I like the look of it. It's soft. And then you just place that layered vellum floral on top of the background, and it coordinates so beautifully with this look and coloring. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.